Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add career break on LinkedIn. So first you need to open your LinkedIn account. After that, go for your profile and you can see here add profile section. Click on it. Okay. Then go for core and you can see here add career break. Click on it again and now you have to select your reason. So I'll choose full-time parenting and add your location here. So I'll choose here, type here Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay. Uh, so okay, I'll choose this one and check it, or if you not check this, you can start date and add start date and add date both, but I'll check this one and just add start date. So from February 2020, oh, 2023, and you can as you add your description here and add your headline and add media, add link and upload media. In this media, here video and photos are here. You can add video and photo from your desktop, and at last you have to just save it and it's done. So you can see career break added. uh, so yeah, this is how you can see here. This is how you can add career break on LinkedIn. So guys, this is how you can uh, go for this at career break. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.